This is the best fish taco yet, and I could drink horchata forever.
Hola, mi familia.
Cervezas, amigo!
Yeah, man.
These guys.
Check it out. My boy Chester just produced this. Let me know what you guys think.
What a beautiful life. Such a beautiful
This music makes me feel weird and depressed.
I'm changing it back.
nothing left to do.
Whoa. I think this essay might be in the wrong barrio.
Do you know where you are, gringo?
What?
Hey, Hank.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Office of Emergency Services. Civil danger warning. A very dangerous and life-threatening hurricane is impacting coastal communities. Hurricane Wanda is a massive Category 5 hurricane. Hurricane Wanda is spawning multiple wedge tornadoes that are causing catastrophic damage. Major storm surges are creating flooding conditions on the coastline. For your safety, take the following actions. If you are near the coastline, seek shelter on a second-floor interior room without windows. If you are further inland, seek shelter in a basement or low-level interior room without windows. Do not go outside until the storm moves out of the region. Remain calm. Have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries for the event of power outage. This message will repeat.